Today we're going to show you how to change colours when crocheting in the round. So you can see that we've got one stitch left, and this is the stitch that we're going to change colours on. So insert your hook into your next stitch and pull your yarn through. And so today we're working with single crochet, but you can do it with any stitch. You just want to make sure that you do this on the last step of your stitch. So with your new colour yarn, you're going to slip it over the top of your hook and pull it through the 2 loops on your hook. And now you've attached your new colour. So pull the tails to kind of keep it nice and snug. And now we're going to take our stitch marker out as we're going to work into that stitch. So the next step is to do a slip stitch into our first stitch. So insert your hook, pull your yarn through, and now pull it through the loop on your hook. And this is going to give you a nice clean break between colours. So mark that stitch with your stitch marker so that you know it's the first in your row, and then continue crocheting in your new colour. And now you know how to change colours when crocheting in the round.